Hello, and what a beautiful day to be in Strathmore. Looks like I'm mad, but it's just because the sun is so very bright. Welcome to the Strathmore office. If you haven't been here, highly recommend you come check it out. And I'm starting in the back here because there's a parking pad back here that I never knew was here. And I often park in the front. There's a lot of parking in the front, but it's street parking. And in the back is nice and easy. So there you go. Now let's have a quick look over here. To the right is the kitchen area, which is nice and fully stocked. And there's a couple things that I've changed in the office as well. And the first one you'll notice is right over here where I've now added the benchmark screen that we have in almost all of our offices. In fact, at this point now, all of our offices around the Calgary area. As you come into the entrance, you'll notice our lovely signs. And if ever you're here, we've got really great realtor on duty signs here. Now, one thing that I wanted to do was show you the front. However, if you'll notice, you need a key, and I don't have the right key for that, so there you go. Let's go ahead and close the front door here, and come on in. And now to the right, we have some office space. We have avenues to acreages over there. We've got Lush Realty over here. And the last thing I wanted to show you is finally set up for you guys here in Strathmore is the boardroom. So you'll notice I got the computer up and running, got a webcam connected to it. I've got our microphone, so that you can leverage that and join meetings. Oh, and look who it is. If it isn't Corinne, popping on the screen. Hi, Corinne. Hi, I was just doing a tour of the office because I figured I need some proof that I was here.
It's funny, so not that this is related to each other, but I was going to the washroom and I was thinking about you. And those two things have nothing to do with each other, but I just was thinking I should reach out to Mike and see if he got lost in Strathmore. So I'm glad you reached out to me.
I am both afraid, but also thankful that you showed up. This is not set up, folks. This is just the way it is. But resetting this computer has been a real pain in the butt, but it's all fine, all up and running. Microphone's working, webcam's working. Now, we don't have as fancy of a webcam as we do in other offices, but you see we have a really great view of the boardroom. And I didn't even need to wall mount it, so it's pretty nice. It's a perfect little setup, perfect layout right here.
Yeah, no, I like it. It's like, right, it's like...
Yeah, no, I was like, this is the perfect height.
Yeah, agreed.
So there you go. I'm gonna stop my video.
Are you going to send this out to our Strathmore peeps?
Yeah, I was thinking it. I might even send it out to more people because it's a really nice office. It's a really great space. So, you know, anyways. Right. All right, there you go. How random is that? All right, well, there's a tour of the office. Bye, Corinne. Stay there, though. But bye for the video.